Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and I'd like to introduce to you our 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline R-Line third row package, finished in a beautiful silver paint and a nice black leather interior. Taking a look, this being the R-Line package, you do have this beautiful scuff plate down here, and you have a nice blacked out headliner. You have that beautiful sunroof as well, stretching across, I want to say like 80% of the roof of this vehicle. Checking out the second row here, this is the third row version of this vehicle, so these seats do slide forward and backwards. You do have backrest adjustability as well, and you'll see the seats back here currently folded. I'll show you those in a second. Second row passengers have USB connectivity or charging down low here, 12-volt charging as well, and ventilation. You also have a nice image here of the front seats. Coming around to the back here, this is the Highline. You do have power tailgate. Allow that guy to open on up. Left and right sides have little cutouts. Down low you'll find your tonneau cover of this vehicle. You can fold the second row easily by flipping these switches, giving you extra space without having to open up the second row seats to get there. To pull up the third row seats, all you got to do is pull up on these straps and the seats will come up. One strap per seat. There you go. To put down the seats, you will have to go ahead. Nice amount of leg space there too, and you have a nice cubby and cup holders on the left and right side. To fold the seats, these switches right there, you could throw them forward and the seats will fold down. Nice and flat, easy cargo space again. This is the R-Line again, like I said, so you have these special edition rims. And now we get into the meat and potatoes, the actual driving side of it. You do have power adjustability along with memory on the driver's seat. As we hop in here, you'll see the R-Line call out as well with the badge here in the middle. You have all of your steering wheel controls. Here on the left side, you'll find your cruise control and driver assist buttons, volume as well. You have all of your dash and Bluetooth controls here as well. This does have a bunch of safety features, so you have lane assist, side assist, front traffic alert, front assist, but you also have adaptive cruise control. Coming over here, you'll see that this car has navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Quick image here of the backup camera. There you go. Nice little feature as well. 360 cam with parking sensors, as you can see there. You'll notice that there is a mode button down low, giving you different modes that you could play around with. Normal is where I usually leave it. Coming around down to the climate controls here, you have dual zone climate control automatic as well, so left and right side will be taken care of by the computer system. You have heated seats for the passenger and the driver, but the driver's side does have that heated steering wheel. You have your USB auxiliary and 12-volt down low. And this vehicle also has remote start. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to introduce to you our 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline R-Line third row that we have here on the lot. This vehicle is currently sitting at 28,921 kilometers, very low. If this is the perfect vehicle for you, please feel free to reach out to us. We have a bunch of staff that is highly knowledgeable and can answer all the questions that you have about this car or anything else in our inventory. Thank you again for watching this video. Take care.